Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the WOLFBOX 12V car refrigerator, a 48-quart dual-zone portable fridge and freezer designed for travel, camping, RVs, and home use. This versatile fridge allows you to set separate temperatures for each zone, ranging from 8F to 68F, so you can store frozen items in one compartment and chilled drinks or food in the other. It supports 12/24 volt DC for vehicles and 100/240 volt AC for home use, making it highly adaptable wherever you go. The WOLFBOX comes with app control, allowing you to monitor and adjust the temperature remotely from your smartphone, adding convenience and peace of mind. Its portable design makes it easy to carry, and the durable construction ensures reliable performance in all environments. If you're looking for a high-capacity, dual-zone portable fridge and freezer for road trips, camping, or everyday use, the WOLFBOX 12V car refrigerator is a fantastic choice. Click the link below for the best price.
Never you,